Hello everyone. Welcome to our next video. In this video, we will take you on a world tour. While we roam around, you need to identify the country name by its monument. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here is your first question. Can you identify the country by looking at this monument? The United States of America, India, Australia. It's the Statue of Liberty in the United States of America. Identify the country by looking at this monument. United Kingdom, France, Singapore. It's the Eiffel Tower, located in Paris, France. Identify this historic monument and the country in which it is situated. Brazil, China, India. Correct again. The Taj Mahal, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in India. Can you identify the country by looking at this monument? Italy, Spain, Egypt. Right answer. The Colosseum is in Italy. Guess the country by looking at this landmark. Russia, United Kingdom, Japan. Bravo! The iconic Big Ben is in the United Kingdom. Identify this historic monument and the country in which it is situated. China, United Arab Emirates, Greece. Excellent! It's the Great Wall of China. Can you guess the country and this famous landmark? Spain, France, Brazil. Bingo! Christ the Redeemer is in Brazil. Guess the country by looking at this famous monument. China, Egypt, the United States of America. Bravo! The pyramids of Giza are located in Egypt, near Cairo. Can you guess the country by looking at this landmark? Japan, Russia, Brazil. You guessed it right. The Saint Basil Cathedral is in Moscow, Russia. Identify the country by looking at this monument. Australia, Spain, Egypt. Bravo! Sydney Opera House, the architectural masterpiece, is in Australia. Guess the country by looking at this landmark. India, France, Japan. You are marvelous. Mount Fuji, commonly called Fujisan, is an active volcano in Japan. Can you identify the country by looking at this monument? Greece, Italy, China. The Parthenon, a former temple dedicated to the goddess Athena, is in Greece. Identify the country by looking at this famous skyscraper. Brazil, United Arab Emirates, Spain. Bravo! The Burj Khalifa is a skyscraper in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Can you guess the country by looking at this landmark? France, Singapore, the United States of America. Right answer. Marina Bay Sands is an integrated resort in Singapore. Let's finish strong with the last question. Identify this historic monument and the country in which it is situated. Russia, India, Italy. Excellent! It is the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. You absolutely crushed this adventure. See you next time. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.